Good morning. Today we will represent real-life situations using logarithmic functions. So, let's have first the Richter scale. Suppose that an earthquake released approximately 10 raised to 8 joules of energy. What is the magnitude on a Richter scale? How much more energy does this earthquake release than the reference earthquake? So, sagutan muna natin yung unang question na what is the magnitude. So, for this one, meron tayong formula na R is equal to 2/3 of the logarithm of E over 10 raised to 4.4, where E is the energy released in joules at yung 10 raised to 4 over 4 raised to 4.4 naman is the reference earthquake. So therefore, substitute lang natin yung value natin ng E, which is the 10 raised to 8. That is R is equal to 2/3 the logarithm of 10 raised to 8 over 10 raised to 4.4. Simplify muna natin ito. We can have the R is equal to 2/3 of logarithm of 10 raised to 3.6. And that is 2.4. Therefore, ang magnitude natin on a Richter scale ay 2.4. Next question, how much more energy does this earthquake release than the reference earthquake? So, ang gagawin lamang po natin is yung ating E over 10 raised to 4.4 or yung ating energy released over the reference earthquake. So, minaminus lang naman natin sa law of exponent kapag division. Ang ginagawa lang, minaminus natin ang exponent. Therefore, we have 10 raised to 8 minus 4.4. And that is 10 raised to 3.6. Therefore, we have 3,981 more energy na na-release than the reference earthquake. Next is about sound intensity in decibel. So the intensity of sound of a lawn mower is 10 raised to negative 3 watts per meter squared. So first question, what is the corresponding sound intensity in decibels? Second is how much more intense is this sound than the least audible sound a human can hear? So solve natin muna yung first question. We have the formula D or the decibel is equal to 10 times the logarithm of L over 10 raised to negative 12, where L is the sound intensity in watts over meter squared. And 10 raised to negative 12 is the least audible sound a human can hear. Therefore, substitute lang natin yung L, which is 10 raised to negative 3. Then simplify this one. We can have the decibel is equal to 10 times the logarithm of 10 raised to 9, and that is 90. Therefore, the corresponding sound intensity in decibel is 90. For the second question, how much more intense is this sound than the least audible sound a human can hear? For this one, we will divide the L over by 10 raised to negative 12, or divides the sound intensity over the least audible sound a human can hear. And that is 10 raised to negative 3 over 10 raised to negative 12, which is equal to 10 raised to 9. And that is 1 billion times more intense than the least audible sound a human can hear. Next is about pH scale. 1 liter solution contains 100 moles of hydrogen ions. Determine and describe its pH level. So, for this one, we have the formula of pH is equal to the negative logarithm of H, or yung ating concentration of hydrogen ions in moles per liter, and that is 0.01. And 0.01 is also equal to 10 raised to negative 2. Therefore, we have the pH is equal to 2. So, na-determine na natin yung pH level. And describe naman natin yung pH level. So, we have 7 as neutral sa ating pH. At kapag mas mababa sa 7, that is acidic. At kapag naman mas mataas sa 7, that is basic. Yung acid at bases natin. Since ang pH level natin ay 2, therefore, it is acidic.